Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. It's Bella here. In today's tutorial, I created this makeup look for you guys. So if you guys want to see how I achieve the look, then just keep on watching. And if you guys want to be entered in our monthly giveaways where we give one of our lucky subscribers a big box of free makeup, then go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure that you are subscribed to our channel. Make sure that you hit that bell button and turn your post notifications on so that you never ever miss a video. And if you are located in the United States, then go ahead and comment "done" down below to be automatically entered. Unfortunately, our giveaways are US only. So jumping straight into the tutorial, the first thing that I did was I grabbed my Too Faced concealer and I just put that all over my eyelid as a primer, and then I went ahead and set everything in place with some translucent powder. The palette that I went in with is the Huda Beauty Neon Pink Obsessions palette, and this is what it looks like on the inside. It has a lot of pinks and purples and shimmers, and yeah, I really like this palette. The first shade that I went in with is the pale pink shade in the upper left corner, and I just grabbed that with a big fluffy brush and I just threw that in my crease as my transition shade, just going in back and forth motions, not being too precise because it's just going to be the background shade before we go in with some darker eyeshadows. Next, I picked up a defined angled brush and I went in with the purple shade in the palette and I started to map out where I want to add definition in my crease. And then I went back into that first pink shade just to blend everything out, just to make sure that there are no harsh lines, and you can go back into the deeper shade and then go back into the transition shade, and I go back and forth a few times to get the depth and blendedness that I desire, if that makes sense. So here you just see me going in with the first transition shade, blending it out, going in back and forth motions. Next, I went in with my Huda Beauty Matte and Metal eyeshadow and I grabbed the shade Bamboo Hoops and I just put that all over my lid. And I feel like when you're working with these melted eyeshadows, you can't go over a certain area more than once, because once it dries, if you go back over it, then it does crease up a little bit, so you have to work really quickly before it dries. And then I went in with my Urban Decay Perversion liquid liner and I created a wing. For lashes, I went in with our Sophie Bella lashes, and I'll always leave a link in the description box down below for those of you guys that want to check out our lash brand. The style that I went in with is Bahama. And then the last thing that I did was I applied some lower lash mascara, and I feel like a really good trick if your mascara comes out a little bit chunky like mine did, I just grab a spoolie and just separate the lashes. And yeah, this is the finished look, guys. I really hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for all of your love and support, and thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!